The Winix 5510 Air Purifier delivers clean, fresh air with its true HEPA filtration, removing dust, pollen, and allergens efficiently. Its smart sensors and quiet operation make it perfect for any room. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Winix 5510 Air Purifier, Pre-filter, Carbon filter, True HEPA filter, and User manual. Product overview. Auto indicator, sleep indicator, PlasmaWave indicator, fan speed indicator, light sensor, Wi-Fi or pairing button, power button, PlasmaWave button, Wi-Fi indicator, fan speed button, filter reset button, filter reset indicator, air quality indicator, smart sensor. How to use. The Winix 5510 is easy to set up and doesn't need any special preparation. Just remove the front cover, unwrap the filter, place it back inside, then position the purifier, plug it in, and turn it on. It's ready to start cleaning the air right away. Maintenance. The Winix 5510 only has a washable pre-filter. The true HEPA and carbon filters need replacing. The filter indicator lets you know when it's time. To replace, remove the front cover, take out the old filters, vacuum any dust, insert new filters, and reset the indicator. Smart features. Combines a washable pre-filter, a true HEPA filter, an activated carbon filter, and PlasmaWave technology. Captures dust, allergens, smoke, odors, and ultra-fine particles for cleaner, healthier air. The true HEPA filter captures up to 99.99% of microscopic pollutants, while the AOC carbon filter reduces odors, VOCs, and smoke. Together, they ensure cleaner, fresher indoor air. Built-in sensors detect air quality in real time and automatically adjust fan speed. This ensures optimal purification without manual intervention. Runs at a low, whisper-quiet speed with dimmed lights for uninterrupted sleep. Keeps your room clean without disturbing rest. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the Winix 5510 Air Purifier from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Winix 5510 Air Purifier. See you in the next one.